Ever scanned a QR code to pay, thinking how convenient it is? But then you see another QR code, maybe a DuitNow QR, and you wonder, wait, isn't FavePay already a QR payment? What's the deal with this new FavePay DuitNow QR? You're not alone. The world of digital payments is evolving rapidly, and keeping up with the latest acronyms and functionalities can feel like a full-time job. Today, we're cutting through the confusion to explain the key differences between the existing FavePay QR and the newer FavePay DuitNow QR, and why this distinction matters to you, whether you're a consumer or a merchant. Let's start with the familiar. The original FavePay QR code was designed to be exclusive to the Fave ecosystem. If you had the Fave app, you'd scan the FavePay QR at a participating merchant, and your payment would be processed directly through your Fave account, allowing you to enjoy cashback and deals unique to Fave. It was a closed loop, efficient for Fave users, and a great way for merchants to tap into Fave's loyal customer base and integrated rewards program. The beauty of it was that it seamlessly connected your payment to Fave's loyalty benefits, giving you those sweet cashbacks or discounts instantly. Now, enter FavePay DuitNow QR. This isn't just an update, it's a game changer for interoperability. DuitNow QR is Malaysia's national QR standard, established by PayNet under the guidance of Bank Negara Malaysia. The core idea behind DuitNow QR is to create a unified QR code system across the entire country. Imagine walking into any shop and being able to pay with any participating bank app or e-wallet, regardless of which app the merchant primarily uses. That's the power of DuitNow. So, when Fave integrated with DuitNow, they created the FavePay DuitNow QR. The fundamental difference lies in who can scan it. With the existing FavePay QR, only the Fave app could scan it to initiate a FavePay transaction. But with FavePay DuitNow QR, anyone with a participating DuitNow-enabled banking app or e-wallet can scan the same QR code to make a payment. For consumers, this means vastly expanded payment options. You are no longer limited to using only your Fave app at Fave merchants. If a shop displays the FavePay DuitNow QR, you can choose to scan it with your Fave app to get Fave cashback and rewards, or you can use your preferred bank's mobile app or another DuitNow-enabled e-wallet like Touch In Go eWallet or GrabPay. This offers incredible flexibility and convenience, reducing the need for multiple QR codes cluttering merchant countertops and simplifying the payment process for everyone. For merchants, the benefits are even more significant. Instead of having several different QR codes for various payment platforms, they can now display a single FavePay DuitNow QR. This one QR code allows them to accept payments not only from Fave users but also from customers using any of the 32 participating banks and e-wallets within the DuitNow ecosystem. This streamlines their operations, reduces reconciliation complexities, and opens up their business to a much wider customer base, all while still being able to offer Fave's integrated loyalty and cashback features to those who choose to pay with their Fave app. It's about more reach, less clutter, and easier management. Essentially, the existing FavePay QR was a Fave-centric solution. FavePay DuitNow QR is Fave embracing a national standard for wider acceptance, while still giving Fave users the benefits they love. It's about connectivity and a more unified digital payment landscape. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.